Alright, we're gonna make our rad or cool bunny today. This was in our Easter kits. I hope you are having a happy Easter. Let's see if we can get this thing put together. I'm gonna make my bunny teal today, or a mintish color. And then I'm also gonna make the ears and the nose pink. I'm gonna use my marker for my sunglasses and my nose, or my mouth. You should have some paint in your kit to use. If you have more paint at home, feel free to use whatever color you have handy. You don't have to use these colors. You can use whatever you like. So if you have them handy, go ahead and use them. You might notice some burn marks on your circles or on your pieces. If you have them, just go ahead and flip it over. That'll show you the right side. I'm going to go ahead and plop some paint down on here and get it spread out a little bit. I'm going to start with our circle first. It's going to be our base for all of our pieces here. The next pieces that you're going to color is the ears. You have two big pieces and then two smaller pieces. We're going to color the two bigger pieces. There is a little like semicircle kind of towards the bottom. You're going to make it so that that goes with your circle, but eventually what we're going to do is stick it under the circle just a little bit. So that's kind of how you can tell if it's on the right side or the wrong side. It really won't matter when it's all said and done because you're going to stick them under the circle anyway. So if you mess up, it's totally okay too. Right. Our bunny is done now. I'm going to take my black marker real quick. I'm going to leave my whiskers just the wood color. If you want to color them, you're more than welcome to. Again, these are just the colors I chose today. Like I said, you can see my other bunny. It's blue. You can pick whatever color you want. Pick your favorite colors. Make it for somebody else who has a different favorite color. Do whatever you want. Just have fun doing it. Okay, those are done. I'm going to paint my nose black too, the outer edge of my nose, so it kind of sticks out a little bit more. Yeah, ta-da. Now we got our inner ears and our heart nose. I'm going to take this big brush right here and dab just a little bit of pink on the edge. Again, same thing, it has that little bit of semicircle, so it goes with the circle. But it really doesn't matter too much because you'll be putting them on the edge. That one's done. All we have left is our heart. Alright, nose is done. Alright, we're done painting now. It's as easy as that. Okay. I'm going to take my bunny ears and I'm going to set them right along the edge here. I'm going to put just a little dab of glue on the bottom part of this. Like that. And the same with this other one here. The glue won't stick down right away, so you can kind of move it once we get it there. If you want your bunny ears to be somewhat close together, you can just leave them like that. If you want them to kind of poke out a little bit, leave them like that. The pink ones are going to go on the inside of these ones. So these ones we can take and put the glue. I'll cover that back up here in a second. Like that. Put that down right there. One more glue. Put it down right there. This will take just a little bit to dry, so you might have to let it sit for a minute so that it'll let the glue dry so your ears don't move around a whole bunch. Alright, the glasses are going to go towards the top. There's no right or wrong placement. It's wherever you'd like to place them. The nose is going to go right here in the middle. Move this just a little bit. You might need to find just a little piece of something and stick it underneath the other side so that it sticks the back down. I'm going to glue this down first. We'll let it sit for a little bit, and then at the end I'll come back and I'll glue the heart into the nose. There's that. Now your whiskers, they do kind of have a right or wrong direction. I made mine face up. If you want to make yours face down, you can do that too. Like that. I'm going to go down this time. Same thing, glue on the back. Kind of spread it out on the edges so that it'll stick good. Just a little bit. I steal another piece that I had over here. I can show you what it looks like finished. Again, the pieces will be a little wiggly, so you do have to let it sit once you get everything put in. And the pink heart goes right in the middle. And ta-da! You got your rad bunny. Thanks for crafting with me today.